saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company?
scrolling. Shut up,
We have 4 minutes of battery left.
What? What? Is this still recording?
Yeah.
4 minutes of battery. Okay. The broken Mountain Dew can. Oh.
Wait. Okay. So that Mountain Dew. Hey. Put it right.
Here, let's see this thing. Check out this Mountain Dew.
That Mountain Dew exploded.
It blew off.
Because Mickey's Butterfingers dropped it.
And so hard out and it hit a rock.
It totally exploded.
All along there.
And if you can see where it exploded, see that wet spot right there?
This is part of it right here. It's starting to dry
Yeah.
out because of the heat. So here is so hot. But now so I guess we can officially say that one Mountain Dew was harmed in the making of this film. Oh gosh darn it.
Yep.
Just one though, not 3. This wasn't the one,
fine.
was it? No, that wasn't.
No,
this was the one.
That was the one. That's
this is we use this. This is the same one from the whole thing.
Yeah.
This one. This one's a legend.
It's awesome.
We can't even drink that thing anymore.
You have the pleasure of drinking it.
That. We're gonna encase it in gold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll just put it up on a plaque. And we're gonna bury that one and give it a proper burial.
Yep. All right. We have 3 minutes of battery left, so.
Well, I guess we just shot a lot of movies, so.
Yeah. Woo! Got done!
We still gotta do the dueling prep scene.
Oh yeah, I gotta do a little bit more, but we're out here.
We're done being out here.
Out here in the
We're gonna start filming at 12.
wilderness.
We actually started filming at like 2. So
And now it's almost 5.
And now it's almost 5. So we gotta get this done before Justin has to work at the Pepsi booth.
Yeah, I gotta leave at 5:30, so for dinner and stuff.
Okay, well then let's get this done.
All right.
Let's get it done.
Peace out.
Bye.